2 weeks
Visualizing
into the
NBA
NBA
data.
and here are some of the league averages thus far. We'll be looking at shooting metrics. We'll be looking at field goal percentage, 3-point percentage, and 2-point percentage. And then to put those into context, we'll look at what the expected value of those percentages means, so that you have an idea of how the percentages impact the points that are being generated from those shooting percentages. So as a whole, the league average for field goal percentage is 46%, 3-point percentage is 35%, and 2-point percentage is 53%. So 2-point percentage includes both the mid-range and shots like layups, dunks. The vast majority of the shots that are taken in the NBA are close to the basket. They're restricted area because the NBA is predominantly a north-south league. If you were to look at a density plot of shots taken inside the paint, where the deepest the density will be located is in that restricted area. So now let's talk about the expected value. So the expected value is where things are actually quite interesting. Here we see 2-point expected value and 3-point expected value. And so as you can tell, they're both the same. So what that means is that for every 2-point shot taking, teams are getting 1.06 from that shot, and the same goes for every single 3-point shot that is taken. Teams are getting 1.06. So the reason why this is important is because this explains why 3-point shooting has increased so much in the NBA. You can shoot a 3-point shot at a much lower percentage and still get a equal value to shooting a 2-point shot. And again, in the NBA, those shots are predominantly in the restricted area. And where you actually see that there's a decrease in shots is from the wing. So shots such as like one dribble pull up or even a 2 dribble pull up from the wing free throw line extended, those shots are not something that are predominantly taken in the NBA like they were in the 90s or in the 2000s. And hopefully this provides some context in terms of why the 3-point shot has become so important in the NBA. So the heat map is tracking NBA 3-point field goals made in every single game. The order of the plot is organized by the average number of 3-point makes they have in a game. And so the team that has the highest average are the Boston Celtics, and the team that has the lowest average of 3-point shots made are the Philadelphia 76ers. What you can see from the plot here is that 76ers have shot and made 3-point shots more than 10 times once. They've made 11 on October 27. What I'll be doing is I'll be tracking some of the statistics and creating some plots. If you are interested in anything and you want to see any data and you want to visualize, you have any exploration questions, drop them into the comment section, and I'll see what I can do and try to answer some of the questions that you might have. And for more, follow, like, comment. Take care.